What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. This weekend we're going to be working in the garage again. I've got some parts to install on the Miata and some parts to install on the BMW. If you remember last week, I told you guys I swapped out the heater core on the Miata. We have recently developed another coolant leak. This time it is one of the heater hoses that goes into the heater core that is leaking, and it's dripping down mostly in the front of the engine bays, but some of it is all actually running down the heat pipe and dripping into the interior, so that's pretty sick. When I swapped out the heater core, I did use the old coolant hoses that were on there that have been on the car since I first got it. When I first got it, I did replace those, but it's been about 4.5 years now. So I got some new OEM heater hoses from Miata. I'm gonna throw these on. Hopefully that will fix the problem. Getting pretty tired of coolant leaks on this car. I've also got some BMW parts for the daily. Gonna be doing that as well. And we've got something from Miatas N Things here. We're gonna open this. Picked up a couple of stickers from the guys over at Miatas N Things. Go check them out on Instagram, and they have a YouTube channel as well. Very cool people and cool cars. So thanks for the stickers, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and crack open this box right here. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It should be some headlight parts for the BMW. I have some more stuff on the way for that. That'll be a whole nother video. Hopefully I should get those other parts today though, and we can check that out, and I'll explain further what we're gonna do with that. And then we will go ahead and get started on the Miata, changing out those heater hoses. Okay, so while I was shooting that last portion, this showed up in the mail. It's also what these go to. More on that project in a minute once we start working on the BMW, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the Miata. Alright, so here are the new hoses in. This is the one that was leaking before. And what I did was I took the OEM clamp. I was missing one of them, so I took the OEM clamp that was on the bottom side and put it up here where it was leaking, and then moved that screw clamp to the bottom. Since that hard pipe that it goes on down there is much harder than this one up here, I feel like this should hopefully work better. And these are the hoses that have been on there for about 4 years, so I think there's definitely time to change these out. Alright, got that all finished up on the Miata. Went ahead and bled the cooling system until the cooling fans came on, and I'm looking good so far. No leaks inside or out, heat works, all that. So I think we should be good. So I think now I'm gonna go grab the BMW, pull it down here, and start messing with it. Alright, I didn't end up filming anything, I just did on the BMW. I just wanted to get it done. But basically what I just did was I had some play in my steering wheel ever since I got the car. And I just swapped out the steering wheel coupler. It goes on the steering linkage in between the steering wheel and the rack. So hopefully replacing that part should take care of that little bit of play that was in the steering wheel. I'm gonna go take it for a drive right now. There's still a little bit of play, but I think it does feel better. I don't know if maybe there's something else that needs to be changed out that could be causing play in the steering wheel. I've already done inner and outer tie rods and lower control arms, and now the steering wheel coupler, so it's definitely better, but I think there's still a little bit play. I don't know if that's normal. I feel like it shouldn't be, but
yeah.
Whatever. It's done. It's not any worse, that's for sure. Alright, so I just polished this light up. I think it looks pretty good. The plan is to convert the BMW from the stock halogens to the stock OEM projectors. It's one of the only options that car didn't come with that I want to add, so that is the plan. I still gotta get another one of these. I actually ordered one on eBay, it's just not here yet. But like I said, that'll be a project for another video, and that is gonna do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this. As always, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.